Integrating Monday.com tasks can streamline your workflow and boost productivity. To get started, you need to understand the basics of Monday.com and its integration capabilities. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows you to manage tasks, projects, and workflows in one place. First, you need to create a Monday.com account and set up your workspace. This involves creating a board, which is a visual representation of your workflow. You can add columns, items, and tasks to your board to organize your work. To integrate tasks, you need to connect your Monday.com account to other apps and tools you use. Monday.com has a wide range of integrations, including Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. You can find the integration menu in the settings section of your board. Once you have connected your apps, you can start integrating tasks. For example, you can create a task in Monday.com and automatically send it to your Trello board. You can also integrate your Google Calendar to schedule tasks and set reminders. When integrating tasks, it is essential to set clear goals and objectives. This involves defining what you want to achieve and how you will measure success. You should also establish a clear workflow and assign tasks to team members. Best practices for integrating Monday.com tasks include setting up automated workflows, using custom columns to track progress, and regularly reviewing and updating your board. You should also ensure that all team members have the necessary permissions and access to the board. In conclusion, integrating Monday.com tasks can help you work more efficiently and effectively. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and achieve your goals. Remember to regularly review and update your board to ensure it remains relevant and effective.